Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel Tech Now. Thanks for your love given to my last video on Tor browser for safe as well as anonymous browsing. Today we will learn how to remove any icon from the notification area. Despite some time after uninstallation process, we find some of the icon in the notification area and that is very annoying sometime. So first we will need to go to registry. In the run window we will type Regedit. First you have to click on the window sign, then you have to type Regedit. After that click OK. Then you need to open the H key current user and there you will find software. And within that we need to crawl to find local settings. Somewhere you will find this local setting, and in that local setting we need to go to software. When we click on the software, we will find the Windows tab. We need to click on Windows, and then when we click on the current version, we will find this tray notify. Here we need to delete icon stream as well as past icon stream. So now as we have deleted and changed the registry, so now we will open the Windows button and then enter task manager. And then we will click on the processes tab, and in the processes for window explorer, here we can see explorer.exe. So we will do end process for this one. Yes, end process. And then we need to click on the tab file, new task run, and we will type C drive /windows /explorer.exe and click OK. Next we will go to the notification bar, and in this notification area now we can see Office Suite notification is not available. So we have completed our task successfully. Friends, if you found this video useful as well as informative, please like, comment and subscribe on this video. See you in next video. Thank you.